The Island Screen Protector offers premium protection for your iPhone 14, iPhone 13, or iPhone 13 Pro with its ultra-durable tempered glass design. Engineered for crystal clear clarity and high-touch sensitivity, it maintains the original screen experience while resisting scratches, fingerprints, and smudges. Its case-friendly design ensures a seamless fit with most phone cases, preventing edge lifting. With an easy, bubble-free installation process, this 3-pack provides long-lasting screen defense at an exceptional value. Whether for daily use or extra peace of mind, Island delivers top-tier durability and performance. The Red Heart Super Saver Black Yarn is a top choice for knitters and crocheters who demand quality, durability, and versatility. This 100% acrylic, worsted weight yarn offers exceptional softness while maintaining its strength, making it ideal for everything from cozy blankets to stylish garments. With 364 yards per skein, this 3-pack provides ample material for large projects, ensuring consistent color and texture throughout. It's machine washable and fade resistant, guaranteeing long-lasting beauty. Whether you're crafting home decor, accessories, or wearables, this yarn delivers excellent stitch definition and ease of use, making it a must-have for any fiber artist. Sweetwater Decor Warm and Cozy Soy Candle, a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Indulge in the inviting warmth of the Sweetwater Decor Warm and Cozy Soy Candle, crafted to fill your home with a delightful aroma of orange peel, cinnamon, ginger, and clove. Housed in a stylish 9/0 amber jar with a sleek black lid, this hand-poured candle not only enhances your space with its sophisticated design, but also offers an impressive 40-plus hour burn time. Made from high-quality soy wax, it ensures a clean, even burn, free from toxins, paraffin, and phthalates. Proudly made in the USA, this candle is a must-have for creating a cozy, relaxing atmosphere during any season. Perfect for gifting or personal indulgence, it's the ideal way to bring warmth and charm to any space. Elegant and comfortable 3mm tiny CZ screw-on flat-back stud earrings. Enhance your style with these 3mm tiny CZ screw-on flat-back stud earrings, designed for both elegance and comfort. Crafted with gold-plated metal and sparkling cubic zirconia, these studs offer a luxurious yet affordable touch to any look. The screw-on flat-back ensures a secure fit, making them perfect for helix, cartilage, tragus, and earlobe piercings without irritation. Hypoallergenic and lightweight, they provide all-day comfort for both men and women. Whether for daily wear or a special occasion, these earrings make a thoughtful and stylish gift. The 3-pack 8-inch heavy-duty scissors delivers exceptional performance with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades that cut through paper, fabric, cardboard, and more with precision. Designed for versatility, these scissors are perfect for office, home, school, sewing, and crafts. The ergonomic comfort grip handles ensure a secure and effortless hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Built for durability and long-lasting sharpness, this set is a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether tackling daily tasks or intricate projects, these heavy-duty scissors offer efficiency, comfort, and reliability in every cut.